Hi there, welcome back to Author Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Elaine, which is basically a platform to do your omni-channel marketing and personalization as well. So, first of all, we can see that they've got a really nice pop-up above the fold. In fact, it's sticky. If you scroll down, it's still there. And this is really nice to act as a lure, which is basically something to get the prospects to give you their contact details. If, for example, I click on subscribe for free, you can then sign up if you put your details here. And it's good as well because I can talk here, but it's good because it's quite a short contact form and it doesn't ask too many questions. So I'm sure the conversions and opt-ins rates on that form will probably be very high. Now, we can also see the headline is quite clear, and as soon as you scroll down, we can see a lot of um, brands that I've already worked with, and this is really good for credibility because um, it gives a prospect an idea of the experience that these brands have, that this business has. And we can also see some very high-profile brands here, like BMW and American Express, things like that. Right? So here they go more in depth about how this platform allows you to maximize the personalization of your marketing, but also do it on many different channels. Okay, really good. And also it allows you to do it with a very deep automation where you can automate data processing, marketing processes, and workflows in order to create campaigns of any complexity for greater efficiency with significantly better results. Okay, so these are also good certificates to show if you have them in terms of compliance and data protection to put the prospects to give them peace of mind. Here you can see a lot of the integrations that you can use along with the software in order to maximize the convenience that they allow you to have. Okay, here you've got more stats about they're able to increase your productivity by 20% through the automation of operational steps in the marketing that you carry out. And also, you can increase your efficiency by more than 10x, again, through automated newsletter processes and things like that. Here we can see other elements of social proof in terms of the testimonials from these people. And it's good that they've shown the specific name of the person and the actual title as well and where they work for. For example, she is basically stating how um, Elaine is the preferred tool for holistic database email marketing. Okay, so this is really good for credibility, as we said before. So this then takes us to the end of the page. One thing I would suggest is to potentially add a frequently asked questions section at the bottom of the page to increase them to handle any objections that prospect might have. And I guess all these reviews, which will add to the credibility, should always be higher in the page, higher up on the page. And potentially they could have added a contact form here, but I guess it doesn't matter too much here because they've actually got the pop-up with a newsletter. Other than that, I think this is everything for this video. So I hope you guys like this. And if you happen to be a SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.